The ninth question, in GP, the ratio of sum of first three terms, ratio of sum of first three terms to that of the first six terms is 125 is to 152. Then find the common ratio. That means in the given question, you have to find the R common ratio. But he has given the ratio of sum of first three terms. The ratio of three terms is S3 to that of first six terms, S6. This ratio is equal to what? 125 is to 152. Right? Or I can write this one as S3 divided by S6. The ratio of sum of first three terms to that of the first six terms. Okay, this ratio can be written in the fraction form, which is equal to 125 divided by 152. So to find S3, so what formula we use? We have Sn is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. You can use this formula. So according to that, S3 will become what? S3 will become A. Okay, right here again. S3 will become what? A as it is. R we don't know. N value is 3 minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Similarly, S6 will become, S6 is equal to, same formula, A value we don't know, R value we don't know, N value when I compare, N value is 6 minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Now, okay, you have to substitute the value of S3 as well as S6 in this. Let it be equation 1. Okay, equation, let it be 2 and 3. So put 2 and 3 in 1. So what is S3 value? S3 value is what? A R to the power of 3 minus 1 divided by R minus 1. That is S3 value. Whole divided by, what is S6 value? We have A R to the power of 6 minus 1 divided by R minus 1, which is equal to 125 divided by 152. So A and A will get cancelled. R minus 1 also get cancelled. So this I can write R to the power of 3 minus 1 divided by this R to the power of 6 minus 1 to the power of 6. Okay, 1 can be written as 1 to the power of 6. Here also 1 can be written as 1 to the power of 3 according to the convenient. Okay, so which is equal to minus 125 divided by 152. Now this one, R to the power of 3 minus 1 to the power of 3 as it is. This I will write R to the power of 3 whole square. According to the law of indices, A to the power of m into n, 3 2 times is 6 only, minus 1 to the power of 3 whole square, which is equal to 125 divided by 152. Now this, if I consider this one as A, this will become A square, minus if I take this one as B, it will become B square. That means A square minus B square formula for the denominator. So R cube minus 1 cube. If I use R cube as A, 1 cube as B, I will get formula A square minus B square. What is A square minus B square formula? A plus B into A minus B, which is equal to 125 divided by 152. So these two will get cancelled. So I will get 1 divided by R cube plus 1 cube is 1, which is equal to 125 divided by 152. So I want R value, so that I will take the reciprocal of this. So when I take reciprocal of 1 divided by R cube plus 1, it will become R cube plus 1, which is equal to, even I have to take the reciprocal of the right hand fraction, that is 125 divided by 152 will become 152 divided by 125. So this is done by taking reciprocal. So now send 1 that side. R cube is equal to 152 divided by 125. If I send plus 1 that side, it will become minus 1. This is nothing but minus 1 by 1. So r cube is equal to, if I take LCM for these two, because these two are fractions, I'll get 125. So 152 minus 125. You have to do the LCM method and find the value. So r cube is equal to, what is the difference of 157? So 152 minus 125. I hope it will give 27, and this will be 125. So r cube is equal to 27 can be written as 3 cube and 125 can be written as 5 cube. So r cube is equal to 3 by 5 whole cube. Since the powers are equal, definitely the bases will be equal. So hence r value is 3 by 5. This is the value of r. Yes? Yes, according to the given question, he has given the ratio of a sum of first 3 terms to that of the sum of first 6 terms. The ratio of sum of first 3 terms to that of the first 6 terms, that is nothing but 125 divided by 152. This can be written in the fraction form of S3 divided by S6, which is equal to 152 divided by 125 divided by 152. So you have to find out S3 value as well as S6 value. I have taken this formula, Sn is equal to A into r to the power of n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. You can take any formula. Right, S3 first I have found out. S3 means what? According to that, n value will be 3. Whereas A and R value I have to keep as it is only. So therefore I will get A r to the power of 3 minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Similarly S6, I have to substitute only n value. So A r to the power of 6 minus 1 divided by r minus 1. So these two I have taken equation 2 and 3. That you substitute in equation 1 value. First I substituted S value, S3 value divided by S6 value. So A will get cancelled, r minus 1, r minus will get cancelled. Will get r cube minus 1 divided by r to the power of 6 minus 1, which is equal to 125 divided by 152. 1 can be written as 1 power of any value. So for the convenient sake, in the numerator I have taken 1 to the power of 3, because here the r power is 3. Similarly here the r power is 6, I have taken 1 to the power of 6. So this numerator I kept as it is. R to the power of 6 can be written as r cube whole square, r square whole cube. For us the convenient is r cube whole cube. Here also 1 cube whole square, sorry. So r cube whole square and 1 cube whole square. So this r cube I can take it as A, 1 cube I can take it as B. So therefore I will get the formula A cube minus B cube. According to that, A plus B, A minus B, and the numerator, okay, will cancel with one term of the denominator, so that I will get 1 divided by r cube plus 1 cube can be written as 1, which is equal to 125 divided by 152. I want r value, hence I have taken the reciprocal of that. So 1 divided by r cube plus 1 will become r cube plus 1 divided by 1. If you want to write, you can write, otherwise no need. So 125 divided by 152 will give you 152 divided by 151. When 152 divided by 125. Send plus 1 that side, it will become minus 1. So therefore I will get r cube is equal to, these two are fractions. After taking LCM for these two fractions, I will get 152 minus 125 divided by 125. So the difference of these two will give you 27. So 27 is nothing but 3 cube. 125 is nothing but 5 cube. So r cube can be written as 3 by 5 whole cube. Since the powers are equal, definitely bases will be equal. Hence r value will be 3 by 5. Yes, please note that.